Gold USD showed a deeper correction in the last week, pushing the price below the monthly low of 1950.00. However, multiple attempts and failures above the 2000.00 mark by bulls pushed the price down. Now, investors' sentiment turned to the CPI release and Fed officials' comments this week. The 14-day RSI shows a loss of bullish pressure in the gold USD daily chart. As a result, a strong support level has formed at the 1925.00 to 1930.00 area, as the 200-day and 100-day SMA converge in this zone. Therefore, if gold falls below this critical support area, we may expect the price to exceed the 1900.00 psychological level. Moreover, the crucial 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level from the recent swing is the 1875.00 area, which could be the next seller's target. On the bullish side, the price should overcome the 1960.00 static level before aiming for the 1975.00 and 2000.00 levels.